What if I told you there's a method that cuts your AI video production time by 89%? This isn't a gimmick. It's a proven statistic from a recent industry analysis, and it's the secret pro creators are using right now. It all comes down to one powerful technique, moving beyond simple text and mastering advanced JSON prompting in Veo 3. You've spent hours crafting the perfect idea in your head. You type it out, hit generate, and you get something that looks, well, generic, just like every other AI video flooding your feed. So what separates the viral masterpieces from the digital noise? It's not about writing more text, it's about speaking the AI's native language. This is the big debate. Simple prompts versus structured JSON. Think of a simple prompt as giving a suggestion, but a JSON prompt? That's giving the AI an exact, undeniable architectural blueprint. It's how you control everything from camera motion to lighting. And to prove how simple this can be, I've prepared several copy-paste scripts that I'll be sharing with you a little later in this video.
All right, let's stop wishing and start building a proper architectural blueprint for Veo. Watch how each line we add gives us more creative control. We'll start simple, with just our subject, an astronaut. Veo gives us an image, but it's pretty basic. Now, let's give him an action, planting a flag. Instantly, we have motion, a story. But let's make it epic. We'll upgrade the style to cinematic and photorealistic. See that massive jump in quality? For that professional touch, we'll add a wide shot and a slow push-in for the camera movement. And the secret sauce? Layering in audio cues like dramatic score and wind sounds. Each line is a direct command. To get you started with these powerful blueprints, I've pre-built dozens in my free Veo 3 JSON prompt starter kit. Grab it from the link right down in the description.
All right, let's build our first advanced prompt. Think of it like building with Legos, one piece at a time. We're starting with the three most critical parts: the shot, the subject, and the action. First, the shot. This tells the AI how to frame the scene. Let's try an extreme close-up. See? Veo knows exactly what to focus on. Next, our subject. Who or what is in the shot? Let's go with a mythical dragon with iridescent scales. Instantly, our scene has a hero. But it's static. That's where the most important rule comes in. One main action per prompt. Don't ask it to blink and breathe fire. Just one thing. Let's add the action. Slowly blinks one eye. And there it is, a perfect, stable, and specific clip. By building it this way, you avoid confusing the AI and get exactly what you envision. We've included dozens of these pre-built structures in the Veo 3 JSON prompt starter kit, which you can download for free from the link below.
Okay, the first result was good, but good isn't viral. The difference between an amateur and a pro is in the details. This is where we add the final three parts of our 6-part prompt structure: style, camera, and audio. First, under style, we're moving beyond simple descriptions. I'm adding keywords like cinematic, muted earth tones, and soft north light rim lighting. This tells the AI not just what to create, but how it should feel. Next, camera movement. Instead of a static shot, let's add a slow dolly zoom on the subject. This single command adds drama and a high production feel. Finally, audio guide. Even though Veo generates the audio, you can guide it. I'll add gentle wind, and distant city hum to build a complete atmosphere. Now, look at the difference. On the left is our basic prompt. On the right is our pro-level blueprint. It's a completely different video. If you want to master this without the guesswork, I've put together a Veo 3 JSON prompt starter kit with copy-paste scripts just like this one. The link is in the description.
I know, writing all this JSON by hand looks daunting. But what if we could skip the manual coding? Watch this. We start with a simple idea, a hyper-detailed cat wearing a tiny top hat. As I type this in, look at what happens on the right. A perfect JSON structure is built automatically, translating our simple text into specific commands for the AI. This is the power of structured prompting. It's about removing the complexity so you can focus purely on creativity. And you can start using this power right now. I've compiled my most effective, battle-tested JSON scripts into a free starter kit. It's the fastest way to get these incredible results. And it's linked for you in the description.
So here's the big secret the pros know. Stop chasing perfect reality. The latest trend is all about embracing the unique, impossible beauty that only AI can create. To help you do just that, I've created the Veo 3 JSON Prompt Starter Kit, the exact tool for these clips, and I'll tell you where to get it for free in a moment. But the key to unlocking these insane results isn't the kit itself, it's understanding the core concept behind it. It's the difference between getting this and getting this.
Doreen and Versudi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below.